Day 41. Okay, it's Saturday. It's a beautiful weekend, and drywall's going to start today. And we wait, and we wait, and nobody comes. So I call the PM. He says they're on their way. And I wait, and I wait, and then nobody comes. And now it's like 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and he says, oh, well, they didn't get the materials, and then he'll be there tomorrow. So we sat there on this beautiful day on Saturday. We wanted to go to the Renaissance Fair, and we couldn't leave the house because we were waiting for these guys. So I was kind of bummed out. Day 42, it's Sunday.
So Liz came back out to redo the plumbing in the kitchen area, and she worked all day on that. And
all day.
And somewhere during that day, the drywall guy showed up, saw her working, and just left. Like, I'm not going to do anything if she's working here. So Donna got really pissed. Like, what the?
I got so angry, I had to get in the car and leave the house. That's how angry I was. Here was day 2, this beautiful weekend. We're waiting around for this drywall guy. He shows up and then he doesn't even say anything. He just leaves. So what do? I get back on my little text. So this is me in the parking lot somewhere because I was out driving because I was so angry. So I send this text. I'm really pissed. Rab and I waited all weekend for the drywall guy and nothing got done. This is the same crap we've been dealing with since May 1st. Who's in charge here? Where is the communication? Who's going to come and meet the subs and answer their questions? So far, it's just been me and Rob. So, again, very quickly, we get apology text number 2. And they say they're going to come out tomorrow and meet with us and take care of everything. So, I'd like to see what happens now.
We're
sure
looking
you would too.
Forward to tomorrow.
I'm sure you would too.
Company shows up to meet with us, and we voice all of our concerns, all of our disappointment, all of our, we had an opportunity to do something really wonderful here. And Donna says, yeah, by the way, we have this YouTube channel that we're documenting every day, day by day by day by day by day. And you know what it's saying? Here, watch.
So I don't think when people say, oh, I'm documenting this on YouTube, I don't think they take you seriously or they think it's nothing. But once he saw that we had a whole channel and branding done, and he really missed an opportunity to showcase his company. We started out by saying, it's not how you start the job, it's how you finish the job. So now I asked him to redeem himself and finish the job correctly. So
yes.
This project manager, or I should say this owner, is now stepping back in, who is the person we were dealing with all the months previously. So I feel...
And that's not to slight the project manager on this job.
No,
it's just that
not at all.
They explained to us, basically, he's just overwhelmed with too many jobs. They grew very quickly, and they just had to pass on the burden of overseeing jobs, and he's spread too thin. So,
and there were some other issues as well.
Some other issues.
Yeah. So, little tip, document your construction.
Amen.
And if you can put it on YouTube, put it on YouTube.
Amen.
And guess who showed up today? The drywall guy.